Hi, my name is Leroy, and behind me is Nash, alongside a chick, Mercedes. He's the man, isn't he? Those are the benefits of being a main actor in a movie. But never mind. We are in room 203, waiting for our main care rocks. Yeah. Arukutunzira my baby. I'll find 2 of them, and it's going down in this room. Believe me. Yeah, we'll see because I'm recording. Today is a big day. Hey, kune premiere ya movie yedu Pachas Austin Theater. Hey, starting at 6 o'clock. Hey, paraiba. Today, hey, we're going to have some fun. So, hey, I can't wait. I can't wait for this day. Just go flow some chicks in here. Paraiba. Yeah.
By the way, where did you go?
Man, I'm just doing a pre-show recording before the girls come.
You're recording something?
Yeah, man. What's your problem?
I know, I ain't got a problem. Okay, it's all good, but remember to delete that stuff.
Delete it, man.
To me, say what
don't worry. I know what I'm doing. I'm the host of this day.
Okay, so make sure you delete that stuff. Plus, I'm second round but I just shoot my thing. Easy. Surely got to busy. Internet stuff.
Yeah, damn right. I understand, man. Steady knock. Nish.
I think so. You gotta check.
Must be our man.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that. Yeah. You gotta check.
Yeah, man. How's it?
It's so good, man.
Getting.
Check it out, man. Check it out.
Ladies.
Hey to the boys.
What's up?
Yeah, man.
Getting.
Yeah, man.
Getting.
How you brothers?
What's up? Getting.
How you doing?
Yeah, then it's good. You brothers, high school girls.
Yeah. You taught these things.
Yeah.
K-Rocks. I was packed. I'm going to do fine.
Yeah, you know me, man.
But she, my beautiful ladies, I want to be bongo or the woman.
Ladies.
What to do?
You guys, she looks totally beautiful. Look like.
Hello,
Obviously.
how are you? Hi.
But not more than mine.
Nah, these are angels, dude. These are real angels, man.
I see them. Okay. They're looking beautiful, especially that song.
Yeah. And that one. And our other thing.
You know me, dude. When it comes to girls, man, I know the right ones, man.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
got them straight from heaven.
It seems like that. Like they've dropped from heaven, man.
Obviously, dude. Got a one-way ticket to heaven.
Yeah,
one-way ticket. Came down with these angels right here.
Yeah, I would want to know.
You know how it is, man.
So, would you tell us what's the names? K-Rocks, go ahead.
Well,
the names.
I think it's better if they say it for themselves, you know, because you might think I'm lying.
Okay, that's totally good. That's good.
I'm Mandy.
Mandy. Nice name.
I'm Miss Pink.
Oh! How come you named Miss Pink?
What?
How come you named Miss
That's my
Pink?
stage name.
Okay.
Anna.
Anna. Yeah, nice name, girls. I feel at home. Me, I am Nash. You know, and this one is Miss Pink.
That's for me.
I'm not sick again. It's Mercedes G.
Okay.
Yeah, she got a nice name too. That's wrong for that. But how come the 2 of you were in the uniform?
Maybe they don't have clothes, who knows? Actually, I'm actually not around to hang out with guys with my mom. So usually it's church, school, church.
And there's a daughters.
Say that again, man.
And that's for me, guys. I wouldn't have been allowed to get out of that house.
Wow.
Yeah. What to fry? Those are just 2 days.
Yeah, you're looking perfect. It's nice combination of dress.
Yeah, the girls are looking good, man. See, these girls came here to have a great time, you know. So I just thought, where else can I take them, you know?
Yeah, and this is the right place. We just want to have a little fun. We just want to get wasted inside here. Because it's not far, we throw it in there. Okay. Today is the day we are launching our movie, right?
Yeah.
What's the name, niggas?
Yeah. Through the night.
Through the night. Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah. Today we're launching. Yeah. Through the night. So, you girls, ain't you listening?
Yeah, we listen. Sorry.
Oh, that's cheap.
Hey, listen, man.
Alright, guys, here. We're out to now boss some ones and yeah, boys, you're killing time, man.
Yeah.
Ladies, feel at home. I want to show you other side of life. And here.
Yeah.
When is when you supposed to go to Masvingo,
Zvakasara 1990 takuna 2030 ke zvino.
Siska, sisters and where's here? Waiting where was oh man.
Yeah.
It's real stuff and so we wanna party and
Yeah.
and
We need the glasses.
some glasses. It's okay. You won't follow later this one. She not sure my glasses.
Me I got some shit teachers to krenga brain uchaona.
So guys, is
Okay.
this the kind of life that you live, like drugs every day?
It's not like drugs every day, but
Yeah. There could be great, good stuff. But for sweet.
Wow.
Here you go.
drugs, cigarettes.
Just to the good wine.
I thought this was Sprite. Oh, damn.
That's Sprite. That's Sprite. Scooping Sprite. The cheats. Carrots. Now it's
Seriously, do you still remember when you talked about this? Would you want to try this kind of life?
You try this. You try
Yes,
this.
I am trying.
You're trying first.
she's trying, and
Let it try.
but I go with the first one.
Guys, wait, is this Sprite or what?
Sprite. That shit. Vodka.
With you.
Vodka. Alright.
Wow, who's in that step in that?
You go for talks, guys.
Alright, take a sip. Take a sip, baby.
Let's try it.
Just for me. That's my girl. That's my girl.
That's not a choice.
Alright.
Wow.
Alright.
They should have heard, man.
There you go.
Yeah.
Don't tell me.
Take a sip, baby.
Oh my god.
Outside
Just take a sip.
Please take a sip.
Is that why you invited us here?
Sing it.
Pinky.
No.
Wow.
What are you doing this, guys? I know, guys. This ain't fun. It's so.
Lower the volumes, cause.
This is.
Wait.
Do you have music in here?
Pass.
She's not there. Then you can just try it. Just try.
Please.
Okay, if you say so.
I smell
Yeah. That's my girl.
something.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. I'll give it a try.
Anna.
There you go.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's my
Come on.
Sorry.
Come on. Chill. Chill out.
He's doing that.
I thought you would. What's that?
Anna.
It's okay.
Anna.
Hey.
Oh, I need some water, please.
Just get a Watson.
Yanesh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta hold it.
Carrots.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Girls, tell me something. Have you ever done this before?
No.
Good question.
Try.
Yeah.
Okay.
You trying?
And you?
I've never done it.
And we have that is nice. So I'll have to try.
I got vibration.
Man, you did good.
Dude, you know,
Ciao, my chicks. They're so fine. Especially the one. Yeah.
Do you see that?
No, I can't wait to lay my hands on there.
You will soon enough.
You
will soon enough.
Nah, yeah.
Something like that.
Call me, man, to say, give you a try. You tell me what it. Nigga, you got a light on another cigarette. Take this.
Okay, can I try first?
This is fine.
Thank you.
Small.
This one is almost finished. Where's the other one?
Yeah, I like
Just pass it to me.
She get the fresh one.
Nigga, can you give it the Sprite?
What? Oh, sorry, hey.
No big deal.
I don't think I can cook with this.
Okay, let's finish.
What?
Yeah.
How do I do it? How should I do it, guys?
Just try. Inhale.
Just inhale.
This one.
Yeah.
Nice.
But I'm loving it, guys.
You love it,
A whole lot of fun.
Take it in.
She needs some more. So, you know.
Give me some.
Some more.
Guys, I need a drink. Where's that thing? Where's that thing, guys? Guys, I need a drink. Give it to me.
Wait.
Just wait. Let me show you how to do this.
Come on.
Maybe she prefer the easy way.
I need it.
Give her what she wants, man.
Hey, can you give my chick?
Wow. Oh, guys. So romantic. I also want it. Please. I really want this, guys.
That's where I go. Let me do it for you.
Well,
give me the
yes.
cigarette. Give me the cigarette. Let me try this.
The meaning of that?
Who do it?
Yeah, baby, what's your problem?
No.
This is nothing. I'm gonna steal it, man. Let me do it.
Just do it. No, please.
What the?
Oh my god. OMG.
I want that too.
Wow. Seriously?
How bad you want it?
Really bad. Oh, I'm going to watch this. Wow. Oh my god.
I'm gonna do it. It's like I wanna mean to Aramba and the Trevor. But it's too expensive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stop it, guys. Stop.
This is what I'm talking
Okay,
about.
stop it.
We're about to party. Alright, let me play something.
Did you say that?
Let me play something.
Yeah! Play something.
Let me play something. The player Nish. Miss Pink and K-Rocks. K-Rocks. Alright.
Yeah.
I'm playing.
Yeah. White House Rhythm too. So boy K-Rocks.
Yeah, we got dance on the
My girl Miss Pink. Shout out Hofi.
DJ
Yeah, man, we're killing this. Yeah. Come on.
I'm so high tonight, ready to ride. Baby, you can even tap it all night long. If it's just you and I, having a good time. I'm so high tonight, ready to ride. Baby, you can even tap it all night long. If it's just you and I,
K-Rocks, baby.
having a good time.
Yeah. Together every hour, no need to find you. When you're in the shower, I'm right behind you. Then you drop the soap, your favorite position. Then you memorize my name, repetition. What you're wearing under tonight, I couldn't care less. As long as under that your kitty cat hairless. And baby, we can even hit it in my tour bus. Rock the bed like a rock band, just the two of us.
I got something to feel the highest levels. Let me just give me a breath.
Bring it. Whatever it is, bring it.
She's not trying to. Ouch.
No. Don't do it now. I'm loving this.
Just having a good time.
Just one sip, one more sip. You know too much.
Some more.
Can I do this?
All this for me. Really enjoy it. I love you guys.
Hey, remember where to go home.
Home?
Yes, we have to
Who's
go.
home?
80 roller
What's
coaster
home?
ride, you
Who is
scream,
home?
I scream. And then the show is over.
I ain't going anywhere. I ain't going anywhere. This life is a whole lot of fun.
Yeah, you're joking now, baby.
Kumba no kuno.
Kumba kuno ya
Right,
kuno.
where's it? Pay attention.
What's this?
Now, This is me.
Oh, dude, is that
with
coke?
some shit. Yeah, this is.
Oh my God! Why do you wanna give us some sherbet? This sherbet, don't mind you.
Shepherd.
Right now.
Okay, you go by this way, right? You go by this way. Put it this way. Put it. Right?
Okay.
Then you sniff.
And the other one.
Then you
put it
sniff.
under the tongue.
That's sherbet, Mandy. Don't take that.
You sniff it.
Shame.
Oh,
Wow. Mandy.
I want that too.
No.
Nash, can I have some?
I feel like I'm flying.
Oh, guys. Can I have some? I want some.
Everybody's gonna have.
Not this one. I want that one.
Yeah.
More effective.
All this stuff. All this stuff. Keep it all this stuff.
Baby, you're driving crazy, I'm falling deep in love. Come let me show you love
Can I come in?
and stay stronger. We living longer, my baby, you're driving me crazy, I'm falling deep in love. Come let me show you love and stay stronger. We living longer, my baby, you're driving me crazy, I'm falling deep in love.
The music stops. Wait, the music stops.
Who's talking? Shit, man.
You gotta say this.
Quinda, Kuchi, what happened? Kirox,
She just fell, dude. Like she just fell.
woman. Mama said,
Karen, didn't I tell you about bringing one? My
Wake up.
girls. Look what happened.
Anna, wake
You gave
up.
her the drugs, dude. You're the one who gave her the drugs.
I know that. I had the wrong
Guys,
one.
that's not
Mama,
us.
Mama said she's
I don't know where it comes from.
Anna,
I don't know. Woman, it goes
Anna.
from.
Chi.
I don't know, I don't know if
What happened?
I think, what happened?
Come. Woman,
She just fell. I don't
say
know.
something.
There's no house.
Come on, what's that?
There's no
Mama, what?
She just fell. I don't know what happened.
Arabo.
Anna.
This is the problem. I don't especially my high school girls. Look what happened. I told yes, she fainted or what happened. I mean,
Anna.
because is she breathing or?
No, she does not. This ambulance. Call an ambulance.
Ambulance. You know, you go to this one. What you talking about? Fancy? You told her you should call an ambulance in an institution like this.
I knew this was gonna happen, man.
How did you
What else can we do? We just have to call the ambulance.
I shouldn't have.
Just
That's
one
a bit like
Just one
yeah.
Guys, can't we just call an ambulance?
You see what she
Oh, it's
is
too
doing now,
late.
guys.
Oh,
Can we just
I
call an
don't think she's
ambulance?
waking up.
you the one, guys. You just gave the drugs. Oh my
They
God.
said she just shut your mouth because got what was ambulance, but I did that dance by ambulance. No, what about my high school girls? We didn't know about. Look what happened.
You just gave it drugs. You just gave it drugs.
But then you have to move without blame and we just have fun. But don't talk about my drugs. Yeah, I know. I'm my drugs, but I don't have to come to blame.
Man. Woman, stop blaming each other, woman. This, wake up.
Let's call the rest number
Man, listen, you play man. I propose me to play man. Just in the morning.
Do you have a plan? Do you have a plan?
I got a plan.
She's dead.
She's gone, man. She's gone.
I'm talking to her. She's dead.
Make a plan.
But she's dead. She's dead.
You just gave. You're the one who gave it drugs. What's up with you?
Guys, no, Nambutara, yo, please shut that mouth. Because Nambutara, I'm drugs are.
It's you. All of you. You gave it drugs.
Stop playing each other, woman.
There's no house.
Wait, don't hold her like that, man.
What happened?
Guys.
Under Open the shirt, man. Open the shirt. Quick. I don't think she's still alive, man. I want to lie to you.
What happened? Wake up.
Anna.
Let's think of a plan.
What are we going to do, Nish?
Why don't you just grab the insulin or something, man?
Maybe she did.
You would have an ambulance.
Anna.
Guys, what are we going to do?
Make a pencil. Pointless, man.
Nish, please make a plan.
What should we do? Treat us eat.
Man, I just think I need a sip.
Look, this thing happens. And tonight, even tonight, we're going to launch our movie. And it's right guys. And the time you're going, it's not tonight to say. Tell me something.
Just tell me what are we going to do. Tell me.
Our future, guys. Look at our future names of it, guys.
You're the ones who gave me
I don't talk about the bad drugs, nigga.
I wasn't the drugs. It wasn't the
I'm the one who brought drugs, right? But we start talking about my drugs. Not only me, but even you, everybody. So I think I never blame anyone. Cannot pinpoint out the cheat. Let's face the consequences. Because this time, and who brought her? You. No, I'm not blaming you as such. But I'm just saying with that, what shall we do?
Nesh, man, what's your problem? What's your problem?
Me, I'm saying.
She's dead.
That's what I'm saying. But I cannot blame on
So who are you saying? Because
I know my drugs.
So I brought the drugs and I killed her.
Oh my God.
So I said, what do you mean, Ona? Can I read upon drugs? Say,
guys, let me tell you what to do. Let's face the consequence, right? Let's see what we do. Let's find a plan.
Everybody quiet. Everybody quiet.
Why don't you call the police?
The police? Shut up.
I'm not going to jail, man. I'm not.
Shut up. Police what? You're talking of police, who is going to jail?
We just have to call the ambulance or police.
Ambulance or police,
So
they
what
all
are we-
don't work.
Nish, just tell me, what are we going to do
But I
with
swear
this?
to God, I'm not going to jail.
What are we going
for
to
this.
do with this?
Oh,
Look
but
at here.
before
Me, I got a plan.
Ayo, alright.
Me, I got a plan.
You got a plan?
Before you say something.
What's the plan, baby?
What's the plan?
What's the plan?
We take this body and we dump it.
Nigga, that's not an option.
I'm not gonna do that.
That's not even an option. So, for all of you, you're going to jail.
No, brother, do that.
This is a manslaughter. It's not a manslaughter as such, but this is room 203. And what happened in
You're the
room
one who
203?
gave it drugs.
What happened in room 203?
drugs.
And I'm an actor, right? Through the night is launching a movie tonight. And we killed someone. Just check it out.
You killed Oh my God.
It's gone just like that, man. And I'm the one who brought you here. And I'm the one who brought to their mom's
Coconut tossing to the bomber clad copy. Roger that, copy. Roger that, copy. Coconut tossing to the bomber clad copy. Roger that, 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 copy. Coconut tossing to the bomber clad copy. Roger that, copy. Roger that, copy. Coconut tossing to the bomber clad copy. Roger that, 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 copy. I used to roll the leaf and swinging trees like Georgia the Django. Now they love me, they watch me more than they watch me Van Gogh. If you cross through the crump while I do the doggy, keep coming, man, I hit you with a cat daddy. This ain't her, tattoos fresher than 2-pack wounds. Ass bitch, you might need about 3 tycoons. Flash mode and I post. saw me sound so gross. Hate is bluffing, I toast, man, I just take it back at that sauce. Where the heck is my toy gun? Click, clack, and moosh. Where the heck is your bodyguard with 6 packs that's alcohol? Why should I take a bungee jump with the strings on? Trying to prove myself the best, so what you dream of? Coconut tossing to the bomber clad copy. Roger that, copy. Roger that, copy. Coconut tossing to the bomber clad copy. Roger that, 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 copy.